Hi, looking for low-calorie or healthy weight loss alternative for normal spring rolls, or looking for some healthy recipes or healthy snacks? Then this video is for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on what kind of healthy spring rolls you like. So today I'll be showing you a healthy recipe for this healthy samosa, which is fish rolls, and we'll be doing it in a different way, which is healthier and more sustainable for your health. So we will start by parboiling some fish. I'm using this mackerel fish, and I will just add some salt, some black pepper, and some onion, and then add some water to it, and then cook it until it is ready. Then I debone it, and then the recipe starts from there. So I'll just be adding half a cube of seasoning cube as well, so just to make it tasty, so that I wouldn't be adding so much of spices at the end of the infilling for the spring rolls. So I pour some water, and then that's it. Set your stove on a high heat and then cook that until soft. While that is cooking, we'll be preparing our veggies. Here I'll be using some carrots, some onions, some cabbage, some leeks, some red bell pepper, and I'm using 3 cloves of garlic as well. So these are just the veggies I'll be using for this particular recipe. And now my fish is ready. I've already deboned that out camera, and now I'm just making it to a paste so that it will give me the consistency that I want, and will be able to fit into the quantity of fish rolls I want. And I want to make 30 fish rolls from this particular recipe, so I'm just using my food processor to chop the carrot to my preferred sizes. You can do it the way you want and to the preferable sizes you prefer, but this is how I prefer to chop mine, and I do same for all other veggies, and I'm done. Here is all the veggies I've chopped everything with the food processor, and now I'm just starting with I added some coconut oil, of course, as a starter for the frying of my onion. So I added some onion, and of course it went in with some red bell pepper, but that's okay. I just want to build some flavors. That's why I'm starting to fry with the onion and some garlic, just to build the flavors for this particular recipe. I love garlic flavor, and I love the flavor that it gives on food. So now I added all the veggies because everything has been chopped to very fine or good sizes, so each of the veggies would automatically have almost the same cooking time. So to save me some time, I just added everything into the pot so I don't have to overcook my vegetables, because I'll be baking the fish rolls. I will not be frying them. That is why it is the healthiest alternative. With these vegetables in it, it is a healthy alternative, healthy snacks. Please, if you are watching my video up to this point, it therefore means you're liking my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I share very good content for you on how I have lost weight, and I've lost up to more than 20 kilograms as of now making this video. And these are just some of the tips without going to the extreme, without going out of my comfort zone to be able to reach this point. Just lifestyle changes, eating healthy and exercising. That's what I've been doing to be able to lose weight. So you add the preferable spices you want. Here I added some black pepper, some citron pepper, some white pepper, and some grilled paprika, and some chicken seasoning, and some chicken bouillon as well. So these are just the spices I added, plus some salt. just for it to taste, and then taste that, and if everything is tasting well. And I'm trying to show you how people say that when they do it this way, they have to squeeze out the veggies so that they take out all the water content in it. But that's what you're throwing out. This is the nutrients you're throwing out. So I didn't squeeze out, I didn't filter out any of the water from the veggies. Every nutrient is intact, and I haven't overcooked it. I'm trying to show you how it is dry at the bottom of the pot. So you see that it is the method is very, very user friendly. It is friendly for everyone. For those who are always afraid of the water content on your vegetables, if you're making some spring rolls, if you're a good spring roll maker, you understand what I'm saying. So this is the packet of the spring rolls. I bought this one packet, and in this packet it comes with 30 pieces of these spring rolls, and this is so perfect. It is made with perfection, with consistent sizes, and with a thin nature I want. You can see how thin it is, so you wouldn't be bothered about too much carbs on this particular recipe, because everything has to go down with portion control, right? Even though you're eating healthy, because even some of these vegetables has a lot of carbs in them, so eat everything in moderation. Okay, all right, so that's why I term this video as a healthy alternative, and it is definitely a healthy alternative to other spring rolls I have seen, whereby you eat more of carbs and less of veggies in them. So if you want to go down on your weight, think of adding more vegetables on your diet. You don't need to make too much changes on your diet, but you will still lose weight. So I'm just brushing that with some egg brush over it. I used this over it because it was the remaining one that I used to make the spring rolls to stick together. So I just had to brush the rest of it on the spring rolls like this, and it came out tasting so good. You can see my pot over there is empty, and everything is tasting so good. Please, if you have watched this video up to this point, don't forget to subscribe. Now I'll be making some sauce for this. I just used a normal yogurt without sugar, without anything, with high protein, and then I added some pepper, some citron, and just what it would taste, right, guys? So that's it. You can hear the sound from this. It tasted so good, and your lunch is ready, your snacks is ready for the snacking. And look at that,